Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Faridul Islam Farid. I am 25 years old. I am from Rangpur, Nilphamari. But at present, I live in Uttara Dhaka. I have 6 members of my family. Me, my father, and my 3 elder brothers. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My 2 elder brothers are job holder and another one is a businessman. I am completed my secondary school certificate from Jadurhat High School and College, and I am completed my diploma in engineering from Faridpur Polytechnic Institute, Department of Electrical Technology. Now I am studying at Daffodil International University, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I have done multiple courses in MATLAB, PSpice, AutoCAD and PLC house wiring, and I learned working. I have worked as computer, house manager, house wiring during my student life. I love to learn new things, know new things, and I want to be a professional engineer. I have with skill and experience. Inshallah, I will do better in my future. Thanks for being with me. Assalamu alaikum.